Hello everyone, so today we come here to show you our workshop and to see our machines. You can see we have some machine waiting for export. It's under final testing and inspection by the customers. This is a semi-automatic machine. It will ship to Russia and they have about 3 sets together one time. This type is one semi-automatic type. Also, we make different types of bandsaw machines, like this one. This one is fully automatic one. You can see it uses the touch screen PLC. This one is automatic fielding. You can see it's equipped with the automatic fielding systems. So after you setting the parameters like the cutting pieces and the cutting lengths, after you control the PLC system, it can achieve automatically cutting. And this machine is equipped with the grating ruler to control the fielding length by the PLC setting. And this one is also for exporting to South America. This one can cut the diameter 300 mm. Okay, so I can show you the details of the machine. This one is 2 columns equipped with the automatic fielding system, also the pressing cylinder. So it means one time you can cut many pieces together. Also equipped with the working light. Also equipped with the aluminum water cooling parts to cooling the blood and cutting. The PLC is also have the English language. Also can change like Russian and other languages as you want. And now we are testing the semi-automatic machine to cut the pipe pieces. This one is go to Russia. So you can see the cutting surface is very smooth. This one is the water pump for the blood cooling. And we have many machines by stocks. So for some normally say this, after you buy we can ship it out very soon. And for the colors also can customize. You can painting the machine like what you want. You can change the colors as you want. And this tool is also shipped to Russia, maybe shipped 2 days later. And this tool we just showed, one is semi-automatic and the other type is fully automatic. Also, the third type is the angle cutting type. So this one can cutting the angles like 45 degrees or 60 degrees. This one is with the rotary structure and can rotary by the hydraulic to achieve the angle cutting. You can see we make all the parts ourselves, also including the roller tables we make ourselves. Also for welding, we welding it ourselves to make sure the welding quality. You can see we have many machine parts under machining because we have got lots of orders from last months. You can see we make all the parts ourselves. And we not only make the horizontal bandsaw machines, we also make the vertical bandsaw machines with the customized primaries. And this one is the vertical bandsaw. The customer cutting the special materials, like some special plies and some special casting parts, the cap after casting. You can see this one is the table can move. Also here are many parts waiting machining. We have our own machining shop. We have different capacity machining machines. This one also waiting for ship. It's for China market for vertical bandsaw. Customer cutting small plate pieces. Here is one of our machining center. We have many different machining machines like the driving machine. Also some lamps. You can see this is the roller. We manufacture it ourselves. You can see we make all the parts ourselves, like the clamping parts, the roller we just saw. This is the base bed for the big machines. This machine is under final painting. Before painting, we will grinding the welding parts and make sure the welding smooth surface. Also, we'll find if some place not good. Before painting, we will grinding it. Then after painting, the surface is beautiful and smooth. We not only manufacture bandsaw machines, we also supply the blades for different lungs and different teeth blade for cutting different materials. Most material is material 42 and 31. Also other different materials. So you can tell us your material and the specific of it. Then we will choose the suitable cutting blade. We have our own welding machine. Because different machines they use different length blade, so we can welding it ourselves. This one is the welding machine, so welding the blade. Also, we have our grinding machine because after welding, the surface may be not smooth and not looks well. So we're using the grinding machine to grinding the welding parts to make sure it's smooth. And after the machine, after the blade well welded, we will package it into the carton box, then delivery. You can see we have some customers bought the blades. It will ship soon. Also, we have stocks for different parts, for the hydraulic parts and also the electric parts. Just can make sure that when we got the order, we can make the machine and ship it out very fast. So for every machine before delivery, we have make the testing and make it running many times to make sure each part is working well. After all is well tested and make sure it's in good conditions, we will deliver it. You can see before delivery, our engineer to check each part very carefully. Okay, thanks for your time. We will see you next time. If you have inquiry or you have needs for the bond saw machines or blast, just feel free to contact us. Our sales team will support you very fast and can give you very professional answers and advise you the suitable models of machine to support you and make sure it meets your requirements. Okay, see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. So hello everyone. So today we introduce how to use our fully automatic bond saw machine. So when you got the machine, you put the machine on the floor and make sure it's in level. And then you put the hydraulic oil here. Fill the hydraulic oil. Then next you put the cooling water, the current liquid here. So after this machine is put on well. So next you connect the electricity. Open the carpet, so you can see here. So connect the 3-phase electronic wires here. So make sure it's in good connection. And after you connect well, so you open the switch to give it power. You can see after it's give power, the light is on. And the PLC system will also light. It's loading. Yes, it's loading. So next you start the emergency stop. You can see for the machines normally we have English. If you have Russian, we can also put the Russian. So press the English button. Then next you can enter the system. First, before you use automatic mode, so you need to here is to change the mode. You can see. So first you to make sure it's in menu, then go to the menu interface. You can see here. So first you start the oil pump start up. You can see after you start the pump, the next you press the front clamping, and then the clamping will clamp the workpieces. After that, you can start the saw wheel start. You can see first you need to make sure the rotary direction is the same with the iron. If not the same, you need to reconnect the wire. Stop it. So this is semi-automatic mode. So this one is quick the main frame. This one is the down forward, it's filled, the main frame. So this one is tell you how to use the manual mode. And next we will show you the hydraulic, the fully automatic mode. Go to the home and change the mode into auto. Before you use it, you need to setting the date setting. You can see first we set the length is 60 and the number cutting is 1 piece. And you need to long press here to start this setting. You can see after it's green, it's chosen. Then press here. You can see here. If normally the current says normally if not in 0, you need to press the machine decode return point. It should return 0. You can see it's already returned. Then next you put the auto start. 现在自动切没事是吧？ Yeah, you can put the auto start. Then the machine will work automatically. You can see. And this is to adjust the speed of building, the frame building, to make it slower or faster based on different material. You can see the machine will working automatically based on your setting length and setting number. After it's finished, it will return back automatically. We will go to the next setting, the next setting pieces. You can also turn on the light here, the working light. Now it's already automatically filled the second setting primary. You can see it will also cut automatically.它工作完就停了是吧？没事。So after it's finished, it will be go to the next setting， 就停了就行。The next you after it's finished work, you put the emergency stop to off the machine. 这现在已经关了是吧？
对。
Before you leave the factory, after work you 直接关就行是吧？对。You just off the main switch. So now it's finished. Okay, thanks for your listening. And if you meet any unclear, just feel free to find us. We will give you on time reply. Have a good day. Bye bye. So hello everyone. Today we introduce how to use our Siemens automatic bandsaw machine. So when you got the machine, first you need to put this machine on the ground and make sure it's in level condition. Then you put the oil here, put the hydraulic oil here, and then you put the coolant water, the cooling water here. And after this job finished, then you can connect the electronic. First you open the carpet and you connect your 3-volt electronic here. After it's well connected, then you can open the switch. After you put on the switch, you can see the light is lightening. And this one is the working light. You can open it. And this is the total stop. Before you use it, you just turn on it. And before you use it, you need to make sure the blood, the rotary direction is right, and it's grounding it to the arrow. First, you press the cutting button to make sure the blood rotary direction is right with the iron. The direction should be the same. If the wrong direction, you need to change the connection wires. Make different two wires different side to make sure the rotary direction is same. It's in this way. Same with this. And after you make sure this, you stop. And then next you can use the machine normally. Again you turn on the switch. This one is already up. You can make the frame up. You can see. Then you put the raw materials here, like this wooden piece, or your materials put here. Then you can clamp. Our one is the hydraulic clamping here. You operate this handle to clamping the work pieces. You can see. Yeah, it's already clamping the well. And then you can use make it down forward. You can see like this. Then you can press the cutting button. You can see the frame is cutting, and this switch is to adjust the speed of the cutting. It's have different speed after you operate this button. You can see after it's well finished cutting, it will automatically go up, and after it's go up, after it's touched the upper limit switch, it will stop. So this is the working of the machine. So after finished, you can make the clamp out, and it's finished the work. Then you can take your pieces out, then the whole press finished. And if you not use the machine, just off the totally stop. Then turn off the working light and turn off the main power if you off work. So this one is finished. How to use this machine, and for the maintenance, for the reducer box, for the oil, for the first time using after 200 hours, you need to fill the engine oil here. And after this, after 2 or 3 months, based on the oil use the condition, you fill the oil after pay 2 or 3 months. And for this side, for the moving part, it's better to put the lubrication oil every day before you use this machine. And for the blood change, you need this one is the hard. This one is the blood tension. Before you change the blood, just loosen this, and after you change the blood, just make the tension. So this is all for use this machine. And if you have any unclear when using this machine, just feel free to contact us. We will give you the on-time support and reply. Thanks again. Goodbye.